My name is Exotic Blaze, and I'm eating Doritos, the jacked kind with ranch dipped hot wings flavor. And as you can see, I got some right here. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but these are so red. James, try one.
You can smell one.
It smells good, huh?
Yeah.
Go ahead, take one. I don't care. Hi, Princess. You want one? They're good, huh? I'm gonna get the dough. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Had my mom try one. She likes them. I call this guy. No, which one was it? No, not. Alright, so this one's the weakest. So which one looks most dangerous to you? That one, that one, that one, or that one? That one looks dangerous. We're gonna try the wimp. It's not that bad. And we got water right there. Yep, that's good. Let me show you guys. This. That's a thumbs up right there. I love these, man. I saw these in the store, and I'm like, I gotta get these. So I asked my mom. Oh yeah, today's my birthday, by the way.
Yeah, today's the July 19th.
My birthday.
And these are cheddar jalapeno flavored hot Cheetos here. Wow, they're pretty good here, so you should try some.
Alright. Finish the rest of this, please.
Now we're sharing food.
I'm gonna try this one. 3, 2, 1. I don't know why you like this so much.
Because it's good.
Those are definitely not as spicy as these ones. These, spicy as heck. But
These are not that spicy.
Yeah, watch, he's gonna try one. All of a sudden, he likes spicy food.
These aren't that spicy. See, this is the front, this is the back. This is the front, this is the back.
I mean, you get that hint of jalapeno. I mean, jalapeno. I don't know why I said what you said.
It's jalapeno.
Yeah, that's how you said it. I mean, it looks like it says that, but it's jalapeno. No offense to Mexicans watching this. By the way, your food is really delicious. Amazing.
Here's the garbage truck.
Yep. Taking out the garbage for today. I also got some Stacks Lay's chips right here.
Coming our way.
I got a dog, so there's like dog hair everywhere.
Look, the garbage truck is coming our way.
Mexicans know how to make food. Except this ain't Mexican, that ain't Mexican, and that's not Mexican either, so. But still, it tastes like Mexican food, and trust me, it's really good. Oh God, I didn't even chew that one.
Mom, you should try some of these.
Yeah, try one.
Okay.
I'm gonna try the Monster right here.
Princess, what happens? Princess. You know our dog right there, Princess Leia, can't have spicy.
Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna pause the video. I have my mom try one, so see you in a bit.
No.
My mom just tried one. She likes them, so yeah. I'm going to get back to eating more of these because these are really delicious.
No.
That's why I grabbed them. This one is huge. Have you seen the size difference? They're normally not this huge.
Getting a handful of Cheetos. Can I trade you for this and you can trade me for that?
Let me take a huge bite out of this. Yummy. Oh.
I'm going to take a huge bite out of this. Tiny.
That was delicious, guys.
What? A garbage can fell out.
Those are so good. Why are they so good, man? Let me try some more of
These
these.
are so good too.
Give me some. Say hi to YouTube, James.
Hi, YouTube.
Shout out to my brother. He's 9. I'm 11 today.
Yeah, and my name is James, and his name is Andrew.
Yep, and today we're trying
twins.
really good food. Now, enough the spicy. I'm going to be doing sour, and he's going to be doing regular. So here he got Airhead Bites. These are yours. And I have Now and Later's Extreme Sour Soft Fruit Chews. So these ones are the super sour ones. And I'll unbox a couple, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Yay! Yay! Okay, guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I got watermelon, green apple, and strawberry, I think. Let's take a look. Did I get it right? Oh, cherry, apple, and watermelon. So this is watermelon, that's apple, and that's cherry. So let's get on to eating this one. We're going to start with watermelon because obviously, why not? And I'll see you guys when I open this. Okay, guys, so we're going to get this one in my mouth. I'll even prove to you guys I'm doing it.
Okay, let's open this and get ready to eat it.
I'm starting with that sour.
It says, here. So I'm supposed to here.
Those are good.
Yeah, Andrew tried one of these before. They're so good.
Give me some.
I know, right? They're so good.
Alright,
I love them.
we got blue raspberry, mystery, white mystery, and green apple. So,
Watermelon.
watermelon, I mean, thank you.
It says it right here, watermelon.
These are little beads.
Airhead Bites, they're called.
Oh my god. The aftertaste is sour.
No, right, the taste is sour.
You guys all know green apple is sour on its own. But with this, it's going to be even more sour. Let's go. Oh shoot, forgot to pause the video. I'll just be fast. Ew, the label got on it. That's disgusting. I'm not going to eat that. I'm just kidding. I'm still going to eat it. As you can see, there are little specks of paper on it, but, you know, that's not going to hurt. Yay! Sorry.
That is what I'm talking about, guys.
Oh, yeah. That's a lot more sour. I'm just playing, guys. It's not sour at all. But it is more sour. Yeah, I'm even faking right now. Oh, God. Alright, let me pause this. I'm gonna try and go put everything away. Yo, okay, we're back. We got the cherry one down. Let's try it. Okay, it's not bad so far. We're off to a good start. And, oh. Now that is sour. Oh my god, man. These, I'm gonna taste test in a different video. So these three right here, the stacks, the Doritos, and the now laters are mine. Sleep Tansy. I'm gonna try these next, and the video is gonna be ended. Be right back when I'll come back when I finish this. Okay, guys, I got watermelon. Let's try it. Yep, this watermelon. Got your blue raspberry and white mystery. It's okay, I can see.
Okay.
My phone battery is at 27%, so don't got long. Now let's try this one. Now white mystery. I'm gonna try and guess the flavor.
Airhead bite. It's an airhead bite.
Why?
Now when it's down there, it looks bigger.
Try it. What do I get? What flavor is that? Let's see if it's orange. Yes, it's orange. Haha. I got it right. Woo! Okay, thanks.
Don't do more videos. It takes up all the space on my fucking phone, man. What time is it? Oh, I got 12 minutes.
Yeah, it's like 12. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, drop a like down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.